Hello, my name's Matty from Carlisle Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi Approved Used vehicle. Here we have an Approved Used Audi A1 Citycarver finished in the very stylish Python yellow. It's a 1 litre petrol sporting the S Tronic gearbox, just fantastic and certainly does look the part. Exterior features do include the LED daytime running lights. You've got the optional contrast roof, the 17-inch 5-spoke wide design alloys complementing the vehicle's exterior styling. You've also got the Citycarver badging and rear parking sensors. Got a full cloth interior, very comfortable to be in. Full electric windows, central locking, and you do have the optional comfort and sound pack, which does include the Bang & Olufsen sound system. Sounds fantastic throughout the vehicle. Onto your leather multifunctional steering wheel. Now on the left hand side you do have your display controls, on the right you got your Bluetooth and audio. Got your cruise control kit just behind the steering wheel, fantastic for those longer journeys. Onto your Audi virtual cockpit now. It's currently on 11,086 miles, and you can access a huge range of multimedia features over touch of a button. You've got your DAB radio, AM and FM on your central display, as well as your Apple CarPlay. I will insert a link to a video previously done on how you would set this up. You've got your Audi Drive Select, all depending on your preference of terrain, your Bluetooth connectivity, and again the comfort and sound pack coming into play. You've got the rear view camera, which does work in hand with your parking sensors. Making our way down, got an air conditioning panel, nice and easy to use, as well as your optional heated seats. Got 2 USB ports, S Tronic gearbox, and you've got cup holders in central there. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 12 months extended warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01228 371 516 or inquire online now.